If your Xumo Stream box won't turn on or boot, note that official support ended in late 2023 with no further updates available. First, check the power supply. Ensure the 5-volt USB adapter is correctly connected and functioning. Test with a multimeter to confirm a steady 5 volts output. If power is good, inspect the HDMI connection and try a different HDMI port on your TV. A faulty HDMI cable or port can prevent the device from booting. If the Xumo logo appears but gets stuck, the issue may be corrupted firmware or overheating. Ensure the device has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. If power cycling by unplugging for 30 seconds doesn't work, try a factory reset. A factory reset can resolve many boot-related problems. Locate the pinhole reset button on the side of the Xumo Stream box. With the device powered on, use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will wipe the device to original settings and erase your preferences. After the reset, the device should restart and go through initial setup. If the reset fails, the device may have hardware failure, such as internal capacitor issues. Consider alternatives like Roku Express or Fire TV Stick for better support. The Xumo Stream Box is now a legacy device. Use Xumo Play app for streaming.